Right, we're going to have a look at manual mode with the Neo. So first of all, I've just got to set it up
In manual mode.
in manual mode, yeah.
Capturing moments, creating memories, and welcome to our channel.
So I've just got to go into settings, and you have to do this every time, unfortunately. You have to go onto the remote controller, and I think it's the button customization or something. I'm trying to think. Oh, that's it. Here we go down to sports mode, and we have to enable manual mode. Right, okay, so let's have a quick look at it and see what we're going to do. So I've gone with me, I've got my lanyard now as well. So let's just push record so we know what we're doing. So we're going to start off in normal mode, yeah?
Yeah. So you're in normal, are you, at the moment?
So we're in normal mode.
So you can see the drone's taking off in normal mode. I think he's probably trying... Oh, it's actually gone now. It's taken off and gone.
So we are in manual mode.
That's manual, is it? So is that in manual? See, I don't know whether you can actually see it on camera, but it's shooting across the sky. It's just done a little bit of a dive there. And it's in manual mode. It's quite low, just hovering across the grass. Quite low down there. And Daryl's there flying it, Licky. Incredible. And here it is. Wow.
Okay, so I've just flicked it back into normal mode. And we're just going to come back. So one thing that you can always do
Is just flick it into normal mode.
yeah.
Here it is. Coming back.
Manual mode.
The drone's gone. You're in manual, are you now?
Yeah, there is a bit of wind about.
I can hear the drone. I can see it now. Yeah, I've just caught it again now. I can see where it actually is. I'm spotting it.
So we're not in full manual.
But you are in manual.
Yeah, I'm just getting used to. So if we gain a bit of altitude, let the sticks off.
Is it nerve-wracking or is it alright?
Yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking.
But you're doing okay?
We're doing okay.
Oh, I've just spotted it again now. Yeah, I just lost it for a minute in the trees. But I've got it again now. It's doing quite well. So this is Thursday night, the 9th of July 2000 and 26. And yeah, like I say, Daryl's practicing his manual mode with his Neo 1, and he's doing quite well, really. It's quite a
so
way
what we're going to do
away.
is tilt it forward, do a bit of a dive. I haven't got them properly how to do them.
But at least you're holding it in the air and manual, aren't you?
Yeah.
Which I suppose is quite good, really.
I haven't worked out fully how to turn properly yet.
Oh, and manual. I suppose you'll learn as you carry on, though, won't you?
I can do a left turn, but for some reason
You can't do a right turn.
no, weird.
What's that, something to do with how you're moving the sticks, or?
Probably, yeah.
So it's an absolute beautiful night, as you can see. I don't know if you can actually see the drone. I'm pointing the camera out. It's climbing like anything there now. Whoa, right over my head. Right over my head. That was amazing. It come past me like an absolute rocket.
So I've got 43%.
You've got 43%. Stunning how it comes past you there, won't it?
See, with manual you can definitely
So
we're
you're
on
spinning
38.
round.
We're coming on 38%, so we're going to have to come in for a landing soon. But do you know what? I'm impressed that I am flying manual.
You're doing quite good, aren't you?
Something I never thought
You'd be able to do. Like I say, I'm spotting it. Whoa. That just dropped out of the sky there. I don't know whether you could see that. But he recovered it. And
so we're on 31%.
it's flying along pretty well. What are you on now, battery wise?
29, so we're just going to go up a little bit and then basically we're low battery. Yeah, we're low battery.
So you need to come in. He's coming in now, here, for a landing. There you are.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Shall we try just one more?
If you want, yeah, by all. You've got another battery, haven't you?
Yeah.
So how's the flying gain now? This is your second battery.
I'm doing alright. There's just that little bit of wind, isn't there? We're getting some beautiful shots. I never thought that I'd be able to fly a manual. Again, we're not 100% full manual. So what I'm going to do again is let the power off.
So here it is. Another,
Right, I'll
another
let it
flash.
land. I enjoyed that, so I think I'll have to practice definitely manual an awful lot more. But overall, that was pretty much a whole lot of fun with a little Neo. So
you enjoyed that, did you?
Yeah, we've got one more little battery there. We might take the Avata up in a minute.
So you're going to put another battery on, are you now?
Yeah. Do you want to fly this one round?
No, you fly it. You're learning your manual. So he's packing the Neo up and put the controller down there, the manual controller. And what are you going to get out now?
We're going to get the big boy out. We're going to get the Avata 360 and just have a spin around on this this beautiful night. And let's see what we can see.
So this should be amazing now. Let's just show you that drone getting ready to go. So he flies it with the motion controller and also the goggles. I think he's just changing it over now so it goes onto that.
I still can't believe I've flown
manual.
Manual, that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, you've done quite well, haven't you, really? Watch you don't tread on your controller.
No.
So here we go. There's the big guy up. Look at him there. Incredible looking. It's coming in. Look at this as it heads right towards the camera there. Wow. What's that flight like? Did you enjoy that?
It was pretty good. So we went right out over the houses, over the lakes. Now, going out we were doing 30 odd mile an hour. Coming back I could only pull about 21 mile an hour, so we must be really heading towards the wind. But I've been right over there pretty beautiful out there tonight. So I think quite a good success there. We've flown manual, and a lot of work to go on with that. But I think overall, I think we've done pretty good, haven't we?
Yeah, excellent, yeah. Actually feel the wind, can't you now?
Yeah.
That you're on about.
There we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this Thursday night here in beautiful Birchenwood, Kidsgrove. One of my goals was to fly manual, and even though I'm not 100% manual, pretty close, I actually did it. I need to try and hold the remote control a little bit better and pinch the sticks a little bit. And when we do go full manual, them dives will just go straight down. So that should be
incredible.
Quite interesting. But the Avata 360 with the motion controller and the N3 goggles, I think we got you some incredible footage. If you've enjoyed it, give me that big thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a hype, give Nick a big paws up, and we'll see you on the next one.